Welcome to Ameltech Labs. Today we compare Arduino Uno, ESP32 DevKit V1, and AI-Thinker ESP32-CAM, three popular microcontroller boards for electronics, IoT, robotics, and smart automation projects. First, Arduino Uno. The real advantage of Arduino Uno is simplicity and stability. It is one of the best beginner-friendly development boards in the world. Main specifications: ATmega 328P microcontroller, single-core 16 MHz processor, 5-volt operating voltage, 14 digital input and output pins, 6 analog input pins, USB programming support, and wide sensor compatibility. Arduino Uno is perfect for beginners, school projects, robotics, sensor interfacing, motor control, and electronics learning. Next, ESP32 DevKit V1. The unique advantage of ESP32 DevKit V1 is powerful dual-core processing with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Main specifications: ESP32 dual-core processor, 240 MHz clock speed, Wi-Fi support, Bluetooth and BLE support, multiple GPIO pins, analog and digital interfaces, low power operation, and AI API integration capability. ESP32 DevKit V1 is widely used for smart IoT systems, wireless automation, cloud communication, robotics, and advanced embedded projects. Now, AI-Thinker ESP32-CAM. The real advantage of ESP32-CAM is combining a camera, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and AI vision capability into a very compact, low-cost board. Main specifications: ESP32 dual-core processor, OV2640 camera module, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support, micro SD card slot, video streaming capability, face detection support, and low-power compact design. ESP32-CAM is mainly used for smart security cameras, AI surveillance systems, wireless monitoring, face recognition, robotics vision, and IoT camera projects. Now let's compare them quickly. Arduino Uno is best for beginners and simple electronics. ESP32 DevKit V1 is best for smart wireless IoT and automation. ESP32-CAM is best for AI camera and smart surveillance projects. If you want easy learning, choose Arduino Uno. If you want high-performance IoT, choose ESP32 DevKit V1. If you want AI vision and camera projects, choose ESP32-CAM. Like and subscribe to Ameltech Labs for more microcontroller, AI, robotics, IoT, and future technology videos.